Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to do the real life microphone sound test of the CMF buds. So this is by nothing. So the entire sound in this video is going to be from the mics on the buds itself. So that's where the sound is coming from. So let's go ahead, test it in different scenarios, then talk about what to expect from this. Let's go. Showing the kind of sound that we get with the wind interfering. So there's a lot of wind. The mic is over here. The twin mic is on the bottom of the step. So hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background. Yeah, so this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you're riding the bike with the helmet on, but the visor open. So this is an open face helmet scenario. Now in this scenario, the mic is inside the helmet. So wind sound should not be a problem anymore. But the background sound little bit should be coming in. Hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. So this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you're riding the bike with the helmet on and the visor closed. So in this scenario, wind sound should not be an issue. Background sound also should be minimum. But now the problem is the echo itself, the echo created in the helmet. So sometimes that echo is a lot, and the mic on the earphone picks that feedback, and it makes crackling sound. It makes very bassy kind of sound. So that's not good. So hopefully that's not the case. But in my experience, any uh, noise cancelling buds or earphones, the echo is a lot. So this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you're in arcade. So I'm in arcade right now, and there's a lot of sound around me. Hopefully, my sound is audible enough, and the background sounds are not too overpowering. Yeah, so this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you're in a lot of traffic. So I'm outside the Phoenix Mall, so a lot of traffic here. So hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you are in the mall, in the food court. So a lot of people around me, a lot of sound from the machines, a lot of sound from the shops, a lot of sound people sound and a lot of music sound. Hopefully, my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so you guys have seen the video. Now let's talk about what was my experience with this. So if I look at the without helmet option, the wind was a big problem. Whenever I was slowing down and the wind was low, I was audible. Other than that, you couldn't really understand me. Open face helmet, the sound was good. Closed face helmet, there was a little bit of echo, but it was not too much. So I liked it because in general, mics which are this, earphones which are this cheap, the mic sound is not that great. Even in helmet close scenario, here I was audible, little bit of echo was there, but still I was audible and you could understand me. Mall traffic and arcade scenario, I found this to be average. It was giving a lot of so basically what's happening here is as soon as it gets a lot of the background sound, it tries to do noise cancellation and your sound itself gets a little muffled. It's not loud enough. Like in closed helmet scenario, you would the same mic performs so good, but in open area where there's a lot of sound, you see that the performance was average. So who's this for? In case you're looking for a good music, a good earphone with a lot of bass and equalizer settings, active noise cancellation, transparency mode, all of these new features which are not available on budget earphones, then this is a good earphone for you. Mic wise, it's an average performer, but for this price, I will not complain. I am actually okay with the mic. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.